In this lesson, we're going to look at the measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. First, let's start with mean. Median is also known as the average. So the average of numbers, when you take them all up, you sum them up, and you divide by the number of things you have. That's how you find the average of anything. Add them up, divided by the number of things you have. For example, 144, if I wanted to find the average, also known as the mean, all we're going to do is add them up. 1 plus 4, then divide by the number of things we're adding, 3. You get 9 divided by 3, which is 3. That would be my average. The symbol for mean is usually next with the line on top of it, or mu, Greek letter mu. Those are the symbols for mean. Median is the middle value of a set of ordered pairs. In this case, it would be 144. The middle value would be 4. That'll be my median here. If there's two numbers in the middle, then you take the average of the middle two numbers. Easy way for me to tell the median is I look at the fact that the D is right there. That helps me figure out, oh, it's the middle. Median, that's the middle of it. That's what works for me. Mode, the most frequently occurring data value. Mode, most often digits, most people like to say. Most often digit ever. That's the mode. In this case, 144. 4 happens the most. So my mode here would be 4. Now, if that 4 was a 5 and they're all separate, then you have 3 modes. So if there's more than one mode, bimodal, a dataset has 2 modes. It's possible for a dataset to have no mode. This happens to the dataset has no values that occur more frequently than other values. For example, these have, you could say they have no mode. The range for me kind of is what it sounds. It's how far does your number set go? My range of values here. All you can do is take the max and minus it from the min. My range of this set would be 7 minus 1, which would be 6. It spans 6 numbers. That's the difference in the greatest value to the lowest value. That's the range. Up here, my range would have been 3, 4 minus 1. Okay, let's do an example. Let's find the mean, which also means the average. If I want to find the mean of this data set, that symbol there, we're just going to add them all up. 14 plus 15 plus 19 plus 15 plus 15 plus 16 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 plus 29 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18. And we're going to divide them all by the total numbers we have here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I'm going to use the calculator. Sum up the top, we get 234 divided by 13, and we get 18. 18 is the average of this. You can always think about it like if it's a sporting event. If these were the points somebody scored in each of their basketball games, then their average points per game would be 18. That's the way it works. Let's skip the next one. It's more of the same. Let's move on from here. Let's just do this example. Katie scores 76, 77, 79, and 73 on her first 4 exams. What score does she need on her 5th exam to raise her average to an 80%? Okay, let's put what we know. We know her scores of her first 4 games, and we know what the average she wants to be. And that's the average we want or the mean we want. How do we find the mean? Do we add up these numbers? We add up 76 plus 77 plus 79 plus 73 plus X, the one we don't know yet, the thing we're trying to figure out. And we're going to divide that by 5 tests. We have 4 tests right now, but if we do another test, we're going to have 5 total. And that's going to equal the thing we want, 80. That's how we're going to set this up. If I add up all this plus the next test I'm taking, then we divide that by 5, I get the average I want to find. We just have to solve this problem. So if we use a calculator, that's going to be 305. So 305 plus X over 5 equals 80. Now, next, we want to get this X by itself, but we got to get rid of the 5 first. We got to get rid of this dividing thing first. So the easiest way to get rid of it is just multiply by reciprocal. We'll multiply both sides by 5 over 1. On the left side here, this 5 and that 5 will cancel each other out. And we're left with just 305 plus X. On this side, it's 80 over 1 if you're not sure. You always put number over 1. So it's just 80 times 5, which gets us 400. We have this equation, and now we just got to solve. So we're going to subtract off 305 from both sides, and we get X equals 95. So Katie needs to get a 95 on her next test to get an average of 80. So that's the idea. So that's how we do that one. We set up what we know. If we're finding the average, we add them all up, plus the one we don't know yet, divided by the total number of things we're adding up, 5, and 80 equals the mean we want. Okay, next, let's find the median of the data. Remember, median is the middle one, because you can tell by the D, not the middle of the data. Now, here's one special rule for median. It has to be in order. If I just like this set here and I go, oh, the middle is right there, it's 19, makes no sense. It has to be in order. Median, the middle one, must be in order from least to greatest. So step 1 is to rearrange it. So the lowest one we have here is 14. Let's give myself some space. 14 is our first one. Then we have 15. And then we have 15. And we have 15. Next we have 16. And there's another 16. And then there's a 17. And there's an 18. And I see a 19 there and a 19 there. And then finally we have 20, 21, and 29. That's step 1 to do them. You do have to put it in order first. Next, we got to find the middle one. We can add them up, figure out how many they are, and then divide it by 2 to find the middle. Or most people just kind of do, okay, take one from there, take one from there, take one from there, take one from there, until you get to the middle. And There we go, 17. So 17 is the median. That. Okay, find the median of the data set here. First, I'm rearrange it. 30, 31, 34, 34, 35, 41, 45, 46, 47, and 51. Now, the reason I'm doing this one, even though we did the last one, is this has an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's not going to be a middle. If we do the same, that one cancels out with this one, and that one, this one, and this one, that one, and this one, and that one. If I cancel these two at time, there's no middle here. We have 2 in the middle. When that happens, you're going to take the average of them. 34 plus 35 divided by 2 gets you 34.5. That to be my median. If it's an even number set, even number of data, the median is always going to be like the average of the middle 2 values. Okay, let's talk about the mode. Remember, the mode is the most often digit. The most often. So we have to look at our data set here and trying to find the most often. And the one I see here is 15. 15 happens the most. There's 3 15s. There's a couple of 19s. I think that's it. The mode is going to be 15. There we go. Okay, the next one. Let's find the range. Remember, the range, we're going to go highest minus lowest. That's the range. We got to find the max and the min. The max here looks like 29. And is the min 14? I think it is. The lowest one I see. We're going to go 29 minus 14. And we get 15. So that's my range. The numbers here span about 15 numbers. And that's the lesson.